Disposable plastic rotary bottles have obvious advantages over traditional glass rotary bottles. Glass rotating bottle requires strong acid and alkali treatment, which is difficult to ensure the consistency of cleaning effect. Requires a large number of manual cleaning, assembly and sterilization. Time-consuming and laborious. Low efficiency. Easy to break, difficult to handle. There is a risk of pollution during operation. At the same time, disposable plastic bottle has the characteristics of high transparency, good breathability, and easy-to-view cell state. Therefore, it has gradually become a cell culture experiment. Mainstream choice. Fudau Disposable Cell Roller Bottle. Level 10,000 Clean Workshop Production. One-time molding by injection, stretching and blowing, and good product consistency. Select the raw material that conforms to the USP via medical-grade polystyrene, which has good biocompatibility and is not easy to break. Sterile, no endotoxin, no pyrogen, no cytotoxicity, can be used directly. Domestically leading vacuum plasma modification technology. The modified roller bottle has strong hydrophilicity, good cell paste wall effect. The size of the bottle body is suitable for most cylinder machines, which is not easy to slip. Verification. After the disposable plastic bottle replaces the glass bottle, the cost of manual cleaning, sterilization, raw material pollution and waste is compressed. The production efficiency is greatly improved, and the cost is significantly reduced.